parts also. Here we have all these panels, nuts, bolts, whichever is required to work. Then we have the set of bearings for all the pumps and other machineries. Repair room. So this is a very large ship, so we have a heater for the auxiliary engine, and then we have the heater for the main engine. This one is a low sea chest. Then we have fire and GS pumps. This is our bunker valves, heavy fuel transfer pump, control panel for the pumps. This is the fire. This is for bilge pumps, turning gear. As you can see, it is a very large shaft because the engine is very